Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace the door boot seal on your washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Your first step is to remove the front lower access panel by uninstalling the mounting screws and pulling the panel down and away. Next, remove the screws at the rear of the top panel and pull the panel off. Now carefully pull off the trim ring. Be aware this will probably require some effort. Pull out the dispenser drawer, depress the locking tab, and remove the drawer from the control panel. Remove the mounting screws from the dispenser housing. Now use a flathead screwdriver to assist in prying loose the control panel, and move the panel out of the way. Your next step is to use a small screwdriver to help remove the spring clamp from the old door boot seal. Pull the seal off of the lip of the front panel. Remove the front panel mounting screws at the bottom, then at the top, and slide the front panel down and away from the cabinet. Disconnect the latch assembly wires and set the front panel and door aside. Next, pull the dispenser tube free from the boot. Loosen the screw on the clamp securing the boot seal to the tub, and pull off the clamp and the old boot seal. You're now ready to install the new door boot seal. With the tab on the seal pointing upward, push the boot's grooved edge over the lip of the tub and work your way around the tub opening. Replace the clamp. And tighten the screw. Insert the dispenser tube into the seal. Replace the front panel and door by first reconnecting the latch assembly wires. Then slide the panel up under the control panel bracket and secure the mounting screws at the top and bottom. Position the new boot seal over the lip of the front panel. Replace the spring clamp to secure the seal, making sure the spring is at the bottom. Reposition the control panel and snap it into place. Reinstall the screws in the dispenser housing. Replace the dispenser drawer. Align the trim ring and snap it into place. Reposition the top panel and secure the screws. Replace the front lower access panel and secure it with the screws. You're now ready to plug the appliance back in to make sure it's functioning properly. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.